Hello everybody, I'm Birgit, nutritionist in Buchingen-Wilhelmi, and warm welcome to my cooking class today. And I prepare for you today a vitamin booster, a juice that is something we offer now our clients that are still here in the clinic. We offer that every day, and it's something that is very easy for you to do at home. The only thing you need is a good machine, a juicer, a very good product, or a good juicer, and you need, of course, vegetables. And the most important ingredient is, for example, carrots, but you can also take celery, or also cucumber, whatever you like. What is very important is that you have the best quality of vegetables. Maybe in these times, in Corona times, you even know the producer because you buy them directly, and it's so important to have good relationships to the farmers. They need you, you need them, and this gives the good circle of good relationships. And therefore, please buy local products. And I have also here some beetroots in this juice. And if you have a problem with the diabetes or insulin resistance, prefer berries. Now the strawberries, even in Germany, they're in season. We have also blueberries. If you don't have this, you can also take an apple, a small one. And also very important now is to do a cleansing. It's the perfect time. If you can't fast, do a little cleansing at home. And a very good cleansing is with the dandelion. These are some dandelion leaves. You can take a few ones so it doesn't get too bitter. Hopefully you have a garden. If not, you can also buy that in organic shops, a dandelion juice, which you can add to the juice. And a few other salad leaves I prepared. What is also very, very helpful, a lot of vitamin C, is the lemon with the skin. It's very helpful, a lot of phytochemicals inside, and of course some ginger and some curcuma. Fresh one is better. And take an amount that you still like the juice. If it is too intense, maybe it's not so nice anymore and you don't accept the taste. All right, I start. It's getting a bit loud, but you will see it's not very difficult. All right. The juice is done, and what I do finally is I have prepared here some green tea with a bit of honey inside. The green tea has a lot of phytochemicals, so this will swap you out the ingredients which are still inside, and you have a bit of the green tea, or you have the green tea which is also a lot of phytochemicals. And finally I will add a bit of the dandelion juice. And if you want to do something which is also very healthy, use some pomegranate juice. Dr. William Li, if you want have these videos, very interesting. He's telling us take the pomegranate juice because that is very good for your immune system, fights against virus and bacterials. And of course, if you know me, you know that there is linseed oil, which is important to put inside to absorb all the vitamins. And this is what I will add at the end. All right, it's getting loud again. So now the dandelion juice. Not too much, should be tasty, not only healthy. And the pomegranate juice. So this is a juice you can either take for breakfast, but if you want to stimulate your immune system, then you can do 16/8, and then it would be a good idea to have it at around 11 before you have lunch, or it could be also just your lunch. Okay. And you have a little fasting day. Alright. Enjoy your juice. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you to share the juice with you one day. See you soon. All the best and stay positive. Bye.